Contentify. Hi there guys, my name's Mark Gossage, bestbonusking.com. Welcome to my Contentify review. It's all about this super powerful WordPress plugin that's so easy to install into your WordPress site and use. It's going to do so much for getting your content fresh, high quality and content that basically grabs a load of visitors' attention. Now, before we go through this WordPress site that's got the plugin in, I'd like to go straight on over to my bonus page, which you can reach at any time by clicking on the very first link right down below the video, right down over there. And what will happen? You'll be transported straight on over to the best bonus page on the planet. It tells you a bit about Contentify here, how it turns YouTube videos into traffic getting articles at the press of a button. You can convert 1, 2, 3, so many videos, and it will grab the text out of them and use it as a post. So super simple. And if you've got a spinner, you'll be able to spin that text and really go to town with it. And you want to get it, just click the green button on the bonus page at any time. Go over to the front end sales page, get Contentify, that WordPress plugin, and you'll also get all of the bonuses I'm going to show you right now. And believe me, there's a load of bonuses. Also on the bonus page, you've got the full demo video here that goes even deeper. It'll show you exactly what this WordPress plugin is capable of. I'll also be explaining a bit later on in the video how you can make money with this plugin if you know how to use it the right way. Okay, and I'll be explaining that soon. Now, first of all, once you've got content on your blog, you need traffic. Okay, Google's going to shower you with traffic eventually, but you should also be doing your own thing. Okay, you should be generating your own traffic. Whether you want to pay for ads is another thing, but if you want the free traffic, don't look no further than my bonuses. You're getting Facebook here. Okay, so you're going to find out how to use Facebook to the maximum. This is a high quality training that's going to show you exactly what you should be doing with Facebook if you want to be getting traffic to your blog. Now, you want to generate a load of free traffic, you've got to include Instagram as well. It's so easy to use, and as I say, once you know how to use it, this is another social media platform that's going to get you real human traffic. It's no good getting the bots and things like that. You want the high quality traffic that's really interested in your niche, traffic that converts. Okay, tweet, yep. Bonus number 3, Twitter. You've got to take that on as well. Okay, a simple tweet, once you know what you're doing, it's going to be super simple to be getting traffic from Twitter as well. Now, I'm not sure what niche you're in, because this plugin, it'll go for any niche, and the social media sites, any niche. Okay, you can be doing it for health and fitness, make money online. It could be to get people interested in your membership site. It could be, almost anything, even e-com. Okay, all there. Really is. Any niche, if it's available, it's there. Okay, so what I've done for those of you that are interested in making money online and you haven't yet got a business, this is the bonus. It's going to show you how to become a super affiliate. Okay, I'm not saying you'll be a super affiliate in a day. You're going to have to be involved. You're going to have to sort of get in there and do it on a daily basis. If you want the big bucks, you can go in there and do a lot less, but believe me, you're going to be lucky to make more than a few dollars. If you want the big dollars, the big bucks, then you need this bonus that's going to show you how to get there in a straight line. Don't deviate. This is the path. This is like the blueprints and the training. Everything is there. Now, my next bonus, again, emails. Everybody knows the money's in the list. Everybody's sick of hearing it. This bonus, you don't have to listen to it anymore. This is the bonus that's going to show you how to build that automated email funnel. It's going to show you how you could be making money day in and day out. Send 2 or 3 emails out daily, and it's going to start flowing in once you've got a list. Okay, and this is the bonus that's going to show you how to build that list and then how to turn those subscribers into buyers. Okay, it's no good having a list if your subscribers aren't going to buy. They aren't going to open your emails. They're not going to click on the links. Okay, it's sort of, you've got to know firstly how to build it and then how to get them to buy. Okay, and that bonus is step by step. It covers everything. It really does, and it's going to give you a head start on other people that haven't done this before. Okay, then special vendor bonuses. There's that many. I haven't listed them down. I normally do. They're just throwing them at me. There's that many. There's like sort of, you're getting maximum overdrive bonuses basically, more included than there should be. There's just a massive bundle of all different types of bonuses. Really is a monster load, so you'll be getting those as well. Okay, you'll need to download them all, and believe me, you'll be there for some time because there's that many. Jono, yeah, he's also given me a few bonuses to send over to you. 2 ways to monetize live video ranker. Okay, so it's going to show you how to monetize your live videos and that. Okay, that's a great one. Then use viral quiz to gather more traffic. Quizzes, people love them, people get involved, and once you start taking that action, they carry on. You've sort of woke up their interest, you've got them started, and they're going to carry on, and they're going to sort of click on links that they wouldn't normally click on. They'll be thinking, oh, shall I, shan't I? They're in clicking mode, and they're going to be on there. This is the way to get people on your list. This is the way to sort of get them so that you can educate them over the coming days and weeks using your email list. You can send out value, you can send out tips and tricks, connect with them and everything. Get them trusting you. They know you're a real person, and they will start making purchases through you. Nobody likes to make purchases on the internet through strangers. Okay, you need to brand yourself. You need to show people you're real, and once you get that connection, they are going to buy products off you. As long as the good products, you know, you must give them value, otherwise they won't be coming back to buy another product soon. Yeah, so give them value, get them the products at the right price, and you'll start to shift them, be it e-com, digital products, anything. Okay, membership site even, you know, get them in, make sure it's in the right niche, everything like that. Once you start to realize how to keep it in that straight line, everything becomes easier. Then you've got the free web conversion videos. Jono's giving you those as well, so you're going to be getting even more conversion there. He's really throwing a lot in for you, as am I. Access YouTube downloader. This will make it easy if you want to download YouTube videos. Okay, YouTube doesn't let you download their videos on the site. It doesn't give you anything. You have to go off and sort of find sites on the internet, and most of them are shady sites that will allow you to download videos, and you've got to be so careful because you could be downloading a virus instead of that YouTube video. So Jono's put that in so you're super safe when you're downloading YouTube videos. Okay, you won't need to visit shady sites and things like that. No need to worry about your computer getting hacked, and that is another fantastic bonus. Okay, it's all there, all waiting for you, and all you need to do is get Contentify through my bonus page, and as long as I get credited with a sale, all of those bonuses are yours. You're getting Jono's bonuses, you're getting the massive vendor to a maximum overdrive bonuses off the vendor, and you're also getting my bonuses as well. It adds up to the best bonus page on the planet, right? You're getting the best bonuses, everything there, and it's as simple as clicking on any of those green buttons. And when you do, what will happen, you're going to go straight over to the sales page, which looks like this at the moment. I say at the moment, it hasn't quite been finished yet. They are editing it, and 1 or 2 bits will change, okay? I believe it'll still look very, very similar. And it tells you more about here. It's they're saying that these guys have been getting free autopilot traffic from Google without using SEO for over 2 years now by converting others people's videos, YouTube videos, into articles. Basically, they grab the video and it strips the audio and converts it into text, okay? And then they spin that text to make it original. They even add 2 or 3 videos in the same niche together so that it does even a bigger article, okay? Depending on the size of the video, how long it is, how much text in it, you know, how much audio is as to how much text you're going to get and things like that. So you may need to add more than one, and it really does a load. Look, they've more or less bullet pointed it or numbered it here, 0.1 to 16. Yeah, it does that much. It really is capable of a load. A little WordPress plugin, and it's been turned into a powerful machine. It's got that much software in it and everything. You can schedule when you want these articles to be posted. You can turn any YouTube video, it's saying, into a fully functional article or a blog post at the press of a button. Find the best videos in any niche. Okay, it goes out there and it finds you the videos that you need. You won't need to search for them sort of by going onto YouTube and searching using the search bar and spending all day. This is going to do it a lot quicker. 4, you can monetize the traffic easily. You can add banners and images and things like that, or add links, you know, add your own stuff in there. You'll be able to sort of use the articles which are SEO optimized automatically. Okay, so it helps them to reach the top spot in Google fast. You get the Contentify publishers, so it publishes the content on a user-friendly, easy-to-use site. Okay, so it gives the visitors comfort, everything like that. It'll find the videos if you want, with creative comments, things like that. Okay, there are settings inside WordPress I'll show you, and it's going to show and pull them in, and you won't be getting any copyright strikes or anything like that. You're going to be able to automatically source the videos and everything. Okay, customize the articles, you can edit them yourself, you can add a spinner, anything you want to do. You get the content in, you do what you want with it. Number 10, built-in text spinner. So it's got a text spinner built in. You can, I believe, use an external spinner if you want to go, you know, if you're really like mad about getting the super duper top rated spinners and that, you can add one in. As it says here, text spinner integration is compatible with Contentify. Okay, so it makes sure that your content is unique. Okay, every time. In fact, if you've got Copyscape and put it through Copyscape, you'll find that it is unique. Okay, you've grabbed the content, it's been rewritten, and it's made it unique. Content, you know, that's unique. Google loves it. It's brilliant. You'll be able to access millions of royalty-free videos and images that will enhance the quality of your content. Okay, boost traffic and rankings. Well, everybody knows content. Good content, Google rewards it. That's why people go around saying content is king. That saying's been out for many years and people still say it today because it's true. Okay, this is what Google wants. Give Google what it wants and Google in return will give you what you want. You're going to get a series of in-depth training videos, automatically post to social media and things. You've got to be able to get your posts, click a button and it'll go out to your Facebook and things like that, which I'll show you in a short while. The support team, if you're having problems setting the plugin up, if you're having problems getting the videos converted or post them on your website, things like that, once you've gone through the training, support ticket. Okay, they're going to help you get it up, and this guy really will do his best to get everything working for you if there's a problem. Now, it's a long sales page. Let's just go down it very quickly. It's showing you 12,000 almost dollars earnings there, 5,000 this month, just over. And it's saying it's as easy as, you know, upload the plugin, activate it, enter a keyword, a few other odds and ends. You can monetize it and turn those YouTube videos into articles. It really is easy. Now, as it says here, content creation sucks. A lot of people hate creating content. They hate opening a document or a post and typing it in manually because they've got to think, what do I write about? You know, I've already wrote about 10 things. I'm running out of ideas. I've now got to sit here, and if you're not a typist, you know, you're not going to be doing your 40 and 50 words a minute, are you? So you're going to be there a few hours just to do a paragraph. You really are. By the time you've gone out there, you've sort of gone through things, got ideas, you've pulled in some odds and ends off, say, a forum or a YouTube video, you then collated it, you know, you're putting it together, you're editing it, you're writing it down, then oh, how many was that? And you've got to go back and check it again for the numbers. All that is now gone out the window. This plugin pulls it all in and it edits it for you. Okay, now don't get me wrong, I'm going to say slightly different to what these guys are saying. Whether you spin it or not, I would go into each and every post, go through it very quickly, make sure I'm happy with it, and even edit it. Add my own spin to it and make it mine. Different people write in a different way, okay? So you want it all similar, okay? So me, I would be spending 10 minutes, 15 minutes on each post. Now, this is going to put it in that fast. 10 or 15 minutes on a post is nothing. It really is. And you're going to have a super duper post that has your spin to it, okay? People will get to know you more. You know, they really will. It'll help connect with you. Get that part right, and it really, really will. It will really make a difference, okay? A lot of people are loving Contentify. It's got there. People saying how fast it is, as effortless as it gets, okay? Simply turn any YouTube video into an article. Now, it will turn any YouTube in, but if you get a Creative Commons, they give you the right to copy it. Other videos are copyrighted, so you've got to be careful of that content, okay? You can pull it in, you can edit it, but you have to make it yours. If you don't make it yours, you could still be sued for copyright infringement and issues. So if you're going to go that way, make sure that you really do visually, you know, read it through, take out anything that is sort of copyrighted, certain items and things, then it becomes yours. It's okay to use, okay? Creative Commons, you're good to go. It's all there. They say you can use that as you want. Simple as that. Saying, is it legal to do? And as they're saying, absolutely, okay? This Contentify fine videos have Creative Commons, so there's no individual copyright to the video, okay? Plus, it's not a video. This is what you need to understand. Once you get the video, convert it to text. Text isn't a video, okay? So you've already started to change it. You're allowed to edit it. You're allowed to, you know, as long as you don't put it straight up, you're okay to go, okay? Go through it and do anything like that. Make sure you sort of turn it into original in a way, because it's the same as going out anywhere, isn't it? How do you know how to repair a car engine? You know, somebody's taught you, you've copied them. You're not breaking copyright, are you? You know, you could buy a manual and it tells you how to fix the engine, yeah? Now, you're allowed to copy that. Now, I'm not saying word by word. You're not allowed to put their name on it, you know, blah, blah, you know, things like that. But it tells you step 1, step 2, step 3. Those are steps you have to do, okay? So you're allowed to say step 1 is blah, blah, blah. Step 2 is, yeah? You know, again, as I say, not word for word. You need to re-edit it so it's yours. But you're not breaking copyright. You're really not. Otherwise, nobody'd know how to do anything. You know, you wouldn't know how to use a computer hardly if somebody didn't show you, somebody didn't teach you at first. They didn't explain things, okay? You know, it really is. So you're not breaking copyright. How many books are there on, you know, how to start using a computer, you know, how to get started? What is it? There's The Idiot's Guide to Computing, you know, there's Get Started with Computers, you know, how to turn a computer on and things like that. They're all very similar, okay? But you haven't broke copyright because they're written in that person's way. If you read them, they all teach the same thing, but from a totally different way, a different perspective. And that is the same with this. You're allowed to grab that content and re-edit it. And once you've got it there, and it's all fully editable, it's a lot easier than scratching your head, reading the book, say, closing the book, coming away and typing it up. It's a lot harder to do that because you think, oh, what was step 2? I know this was steps. I love, you know, and you can, if it's there, you've got it. All you've got to do is rewrite it. Okay? Simple as that. Contentify, super simple if you want content, and you can have as much as you want, okay? Plus, it'll go on social media. You can post it on there as well. Okay, simple as that. Schedule your posts, video to article, advanced search filters, easily monetize it, SEO optimized, it's user friendly, Creative Commons you can use, source the video, you know, just customize your articles, built-in text spinner, everything. Look at this, millions of videos and images to choose from and boost your traffic and rankings. Everybody knows if you've got quality on if you've got quality content on a regular basis being posted to your blog, it's going to get ranked. There's no stopping it, okay? As long as you don't get penalised for copying. So long as you've edited it, long as you've made it yours, you're good to go. And if that isn't enough, start putting it on Facebook, a few posts a day, Instagram, Twitter. People are going to love it. They're going to be coming for more. They're going to visit your site. The traffic's going to be flooding in, okay? As long as you don't expect to see it on day one and you realise this is a thing you need to do on a daily basis, and the more you do it, the more you get. It's as simple as that. How much time do you have to put in? Put it on autopilot, let it run by itself. You don't have to put much time in, but you haven't got much control over it then, okay? You're going to, you know, it's not going to be so good. Come in and do a couple of hours a day and sort of set it up and get it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Over a few months, you're going to see it explode. And if you keep going at that rate, it'll just keep on exploding and it'll just get bigger and bigger and bigger. It's as simple as that. So up to you. You know, how much money can you make with it? Up to you. Limitless. Zero to limitless. Up to you. You know, how much money can you make? The answer really is, how much content are you going to put up there, and how much content are you going to add your spin to, okay? And how much content are you going to put over to Facebook and places like that? That is the answer really. And then the money's coming in, and you must have monetized it. So you need to be getting those images up there, banners, things like that, okay? You can add, it's your WordPress website, you can add monetization in any way you can in a WordPress site, okay? So can I add images? Of course you can. Can you add links in? Of course you can. Can I add links into the text, into that content? Of course you can. It's your site, okay? If you don't add that in, no money's going to come through. Simple as that, right? All down to what are you going to do, how much are you going to do, and how, you know, just, you've got to power it up. You really, really have. And the more you add into it, the more it's going to do. You know, people come to me and say, how much money can I make? Well, and it's as I tell them, if you're asking questions like that, probably zero. If you're in it just to make a quick buck overnight, you're going to make zero. It's the long term. It's a business that you've got to build. You know, okay, you're going to put a WordPress site up today. Woohoo, you know. Do you know what I mean? Everybody's got one now. A few years ago, if you put one up, you'd only have to put a few words on it. Google had loved it. They'd take notice of it. They'd send traffic to it straight away, within 24 hours. Nothing to do with SEO, because it was a WordPress site and they were new. And Google loved them. Bang, you got traffic. Now, everybody realises that. Everybody jumped in. You missed the boat, okay? You missed the easy boat. Google now is combing through and it's giving it to the quality content. So you need quality content. That's the answer mainly. Quality content. The more the better, okay? But not just a load of content thrown in, slap and, you know, just slapped in any old way. It's got to be content. Google knows, it can read your content. It knows if it's like good English or, you know, good in that language. It knows if it's quality. It even tests it out. It gives it a score. And then what it does, the algorithm then is even careful in the way it sends traffic. It sends so many visitors and it still times them as to how long they're on your page, how long you're on your website, and if they clicked anything, if they interacted in any way. And that is why John O's bonus and that, the quiz generator, get quizzes on there, people interact with them. Google will go, whoa, hold on, this site is getting a bit of interaction, it's getting a few links clicked on. People are interested, you know, say 30% of them are staying for a fair time. Only a few are clicking off almost immediately, and they'll send more visitors. And if it keeps going like that, they'll send more and more, and eventually they'll be sending a load, okay? So it's going to start with a trickle, it's going to work its way up, and they will send a load. It's all on how you do your blog, okay? All on that. If you post once and then you don't post for 3 months, and then you post 100 articles and nothing for 3 months, Google doesn't like that normally. It rewards people for posting at similar times on a daily basis. And if you're posting like 3, 4, 5 posts per day, you know, it's going to more than reward you. It's going to throw the traffic at you in a few months, okay? Once it knows that it can trust you, okay? Not the first day or second, it watches and it sees that algorithm sort of clocks what you're doing on a daily basis. It knows when you posted, what time. It knows how many posts went up. So you don't want them all going up on the same time. You want to post on a morning, midday, afternoon, evening. That's 4 posts. If you can do that, I can't see how you can lose, as long as you're not putting the same posts up time and time again. Fresh, valuable content on a regular basis, okay? Well, let's say you're going to do 7 posts a week. Don't put them up all in one day. Daily, 1, day one, day two, one. Yep, keep it as regular as possible. If you're too lazy and you only want to do 3 posts a week, do it every couple of days, okay? So it's on a regular basis. Google will realise that you're a part-time site. It will still reward you. I'm not saying it'll send as much as if you were doing 4 to 5 posts per day, every day, okay? Regular content and things like that. And Google likes it to be of a minimum of around 500 words, really. I'm not saying every post. And it loves 1,000 words and plus, okay? So for me, 700 to 1,500 words is the best way with Google, if you want Google traffic. If you want your post for some other reason and not Google, then you're going to be, you might get away with something else. But if you have to Google and a load of traffic, you need to do it. It's as simple as that. Now, let's go straight on down. Just having a look, see if we're going to get any more bonuses. Well, it tells you all again, and that's it. So $19 it's saying. I'm not sure the starting price. I thought it'd be more than that, so we'll see the prices when we go over to the bonus page later on. Bonus 1, you are getting it. 30 WordPress niche theme. Okay, so you're going to get some themes that you can choose from. You don't have to use them, but themes you know yourself can make or break your site in the way of visuals, okay, and the way it's laid out. 100 editable logos, so if you haven't got a logo, you have now, okay. There's 100 to choose from and they're editable, so there you go. And 100 AdSense niches, okay, so you're going to find out all about that. So if you want to add AdSense to your site, some people love it and swear by it, other people hate it. Me, myself, I don't use it personally, but if you want to use AdSense, it's all there. And plus you're getting that 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, I was just about to say I was hoping for frequently asked questions. Here they are. Is this a software or a training course? It's both. What happens is it's a software, it's a WordPress plugin, easy to install, easy to use. And then they're giving you the training on how to get the maximum out of that WordPress plugin. Okay, so it's a training course as well on how to use the plugin. Does this work in any niche? Yes, of course it does. It's content. If you've got content for a cookery site, you take it from YouTube videos that deal with cookery. It's as simple as that. If it's for cars, you take it from car videos. You wouldn't be doing cookery videos and try and sell cars, or how to fix cars, things like that, would you? And vice versa. So yeah, works in any niche as long as you make sure the videos are niche orientated. It's as simple as that. How do you get a refund? All you have to do is contact them and they give them both there, the support desk or the support email. So open a support ticket, ask them for a refund within 30 days or their email within 30 days. Okay, both addresses, there, the links, super simple. They're not hiding, they are there. They can't wait, they believe in it. And as long as you understand what you're getting, I don't see why anybody'd want a refund. You're getting a WordPress plugin that gets free content, okay, and makes it super simple. Who'd want a refund, unless they buy it and expect to, I don't know, they think they're buying something totally different. So there you go, and that's why these guys are giving you your money back. Then no, there's not many people going to be asking for it back. Have you got to write blog content for your site? Yes, of course you have. If you haven't got this plugin, yeah, website has to have content, but no, if you've got this plugin, it'll do it all for you. Simple as that. As I said, I would go in and add my spin to it. So I would say, yes, you still have to write a little, edit it. These people say no, if you can trust it, you can have it. But me, I'd rather go through it and edit it and know it's saying exactly what I want. I'm putting it up as my content. I want to make sure that it is my content, okay? And they'll go, oh, I didn't realise it had said that. So yeah, support, again, support desk, support email. Does your product come with training? Yep, step-by-step training included in the members area, accessible from the plugin, okay? Does it have updates? Yes, it has. They're free. You're always going to get free updates, okay? You're not going to get billed all there. So that's the sales page, and here is the actual WordPress site that's had the plugin in. Okay, so once you've installed the plugin, you'll see at the top here on the left in the bar, Contentify. Okay, Contentify. It's going to Contentify your site basically. People have been in and they've done these here, these posts. They're not all niche orientated, because this is just to show you how it works. It's showing you that it can pull in a diet one. It says do this every day to lose weight, 2 weeks, shred challenge. Okay, it's pulled that post in. And if you look to the right, it says scheduled. That means it hasn't gone live yet. It's scheduled. So you can schedule it to go out later today, tomorrow, next week, you know, like that. So you can get hundreds. You could sit in here of a weekend and go through everything. When I said on a daily basis, you don't have to be daily if you don't want to. You can put the hours in on a weekend, or a couple of nights a week, or a couple of days, depending how you work. And what you'll do, you'll pull in, let's say you're going to do 5 sites a day, 5 posts, sorry. That's what's that? 35 posts. You'll pull in, say, 35 posts, 35 content, go through them, edit them quickly, add your links so that you get paid from it, add your images, things like that. Okay, so you could spend an evening doing that once you get used to it. You know, you can go through it super fast. For me, I'll probably sit down over the weekend with a few cups of tea and go through it at my own leisure. Schedule them to go out at certain times every day. Yeah, near enough the same times. I'd make a difference of a few minutes here and there, so it doesn't look automated. So I'd think of 10 in the morning, and I'd be sort of doing 9:56, 10:02, 9:54, 10:01, 10:05, you know, so each day goes out around 10 o'clock within a few minutes, you know, within a 20-minute sort of period. And then probably 2 in the afternoon, then around 5 in the afternoon, and 9 or 10 in the evening. And I'd call it in then. I wouldn't put them out in the middle of the night. Or if I was, I'd keep them to the middle of the night runs and not the day. Reason being, Google knows you're not awake 24 hours a day. Whether it'll realise, I don't know. I don't know how, you know, how much Google puts into it. You could be a 24-hour business, admittedly. But for me, I would do, you know, find the time zone you want to advertise to, be USA, Great Britain, could be, you know, Asia, anywhere. Okay, get there, time zone, and do it for that day, you know, 10 in the morning or 9 in the morning, 8 in the morning, whatever you think. Okay, you might think, I want them at 8 in the morning, around 8, around dinner time, or, you know, afternoon, evening, and I do around 4 to 5 posts every day. So I've got them in, I've edited 35, I've added the links, I've monetized it, I'm now timing it, and it's all here. So I don't have to look again till next weekend, because it's going to go out every day. I mean, when I first got the plugin, I'd go through and check that it has gone out, because you might have set something up slightly wrong. Yeah, so you want to check on that. Otherwise, at the end of the week, you're going to go, oh, none of them went out. Okay, you've gone to use next week, but you don't want to work like that. So make sure it's running perfectly. Once it is, you've only got to go in there every weekend, or a couple of evenings, Monday, Tuesday evening, or maybe Tuesday, Friday evening, or even Wednesday and Thursday in the day. What I say, anytime it suits you, go in, load it up, get it ready for the whole week. That way you don't have to worry about it. When you come in of a morning and you don't use the automation, and then of a dinner time, an afternoon, an evening, a couple of days, you get absolutely sick of it. And you just don't do it. You know, I'll leave it today. Don't do that. Just do it in a day. Sit down Saturday or Sunday. You know, make it a little hobby in a way. Do it Sunday. That's you done for the week. You can go and sort of get more ideas. You can go and sort of build your videos, whatever you're doing. Put this down, get it done, bang. Do a week or a month in advance, and you can almost forget it, okay? As I say, I'd call back in now and again. I'd check everything's working properly and things like that. Plus, if you've got a WordPress site, you know yourself, you'll need to update things, okay? You might have to update that plugin. It'll say update. Just click on it, it updates. You're going to get those free updates all there. Now, if we look here, social share, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest and Reddit, they're all here, the main ones. There's 5 there. Click on those and you can post to those easily. Okay, once you've got it all set up, super simple. As long as you've got a Facebook account, a Twitter account, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, as long as you've got those accounts, you're good to go. It's as simple as that, yeah? That is just your first post. Next one, eco-friendly ideas for your home. Then it's how eco-friendly is cotton. And things like it gets crazy, but there's all eco here. Then it goes to the sciences in exercise isn't the best way to lose weight. The best sustainable products for zero waste living. Okay, that's the eco side. And then as we get down There's a German one, I think, Das Naturalin Stadt von Das, well, can't even pronounce, sorry about that, I can't pronounce, but Denmark, and that's scheduled. So it's showing you it doesn't have to be English, whatever language you speak or whatever language you want to communicate in, okay? Whatever language, you can make it all one language. So it's showing you basically you can do it all, you can schedule it and do everything like that. And of course you should categorize it. So here it says business, uncategorized, business, uncategorized. I was looking for that. But you set your own categories. You make your own categories so that you can put it into that category. It tells Google, bang, business. Before it even looks at your post, business. Do you know what I mean? Or it looks at your post and it might say cars, car repairs. You're doing car repair. Golf. It tells Google golf, and then it looks, and as long as your post is in that niche, Google's going to love it. Yeah. If you're saying it's golf and then you're going on about cars and it realizes Google don't like it, so make sure you get that right. It tells you the scheduled date and time here, as you can see, all the times and everything like that. And then you've got those which are more the SEO there, which aren't in at the moment. That's got nothing to do with this plugin. You can put in SEO tools that will show you up here and things. That is your SEO score. That is your readability score. That there, number of outgoing internal links in this post, so it'll mention how many links. None at the moment. This is just a sort of site to show you how it works. Now, okay, we've been there. It's as easy as now going back over to the left bar. It says created posts. It shows you all the posts here. Manage your campaign. We'll click on that, which is that link there. Enter your keywords, sort by the relevance, number of videos to drag in. So you'd come in here, and as it says, you could have swimming, you could have dark, whatever you want. So put your keyword in, swimming if it's about swimming, sort by relevance, creative comments, upload date, view count or rating. There's so many different ways, okay? Creative Commons, you get no issues with that. If you're using the other ones, you're going to need to make sure it's well edited to make it your own, okay? Check for copyright, things like that. But Creative Commons, no problem. Number of videos, 5, 10, 15, 20. You got a choice there. You can hit on, say, 5, okay? Search, and it'll go and search for them and everything and do all of that, okay? Then YouTube channel. This is on the left, just below Manage Campaigns. And this is where you come in and you put your YouTube channel ID there and everything there, okay? And it will be getting them from that, okay? So if you want to use them from a certain channel, come in, do that, and it's going to pull them in from that user. So if you know someone's got a load of Creative Commons videos that you love, put it in there. And again, relevance, so you can do that. Make sure only the Creative Commons ones, and the amount of 5 to 20. Auto campaign, all about automation. Here we go. Enter your campaign name, number of videos, the time between posts, between 2 posts, days, hours, minutes. So you can make it by the minute, by the hour, by the day. Keywords per line, maximum 3 keywords for each campaign. So on each line, you put your keywords. Spinner service, don't spin. Best spinner, word AI, spin rewriter. Okay, select the category here. These will come up in whatever you have made the categories, okay? Business, cryptocurrency, food, review, uncategorized, okay? All there. Now, for me, keep all of those categories, I would, niche orientated. I wouldn't do cars, diet, bar, I would rather go and get another domain, another hosting, and have several sites with a plugin in. Again, now said that, make sure that you're allowed to use a plugin on more than one site if that's what you're going to do. We'll be going through that in the pricing soon, okay? You save that campaign, it's all here, okay? All of those there in the queues here, published, it tells you how many has been published, how many are processing and things like that. Below here on the left below the auto campaign, there's a settings. You can put the API key in of YouTube there. It's easy to do. It's going to show you how to do in the training. Any problems, you just need to get in there. You need your Google Translate API key if you're going to translate it. Put in there. Spin Rewriter Email API key if you're going to use that. Word AI, again, you can put that in. Best Spinner and Facebook Auto Share Post. Twitter auto share and things like that, okay? So that once you've done that, you can share it to Twitter and Facebook easily. You won't have to log in and, copy paste or whatever. This will do it for you. It's easy to set up. It's all there. And that's in settings. Underneath there, monetization. Well, here we go. Right. Inline link, replace any keywords by your specific link. Money, google.com. Now, you know, you wouldn't put it like that, but keyword 2 and to be replaced by link 2. Keyword 3, link 3. So what happens is when it finds the word money, yeah, it's going to put that link in. So if you want it to go to, I don't know, yoursite.com, you'd put yoursite.com. Yeah, okay. And then keyword 2 could be, I don't know, let's have a think. Doing this off my head very quickly, we could call that dollars. No, make money, yeah. Make money online, okay. And then what you do instead of yoursite.com, it might be yoursite.com / money online. Okay, if you've got a website, okay, so you can put your own sites in, so it's taking them to where your sales pages are. It could be your affiliate link, they're going to the affiliate offers. If you've got a bonus page, you can be sending them to your bonus page, things like that. So every time that make money online is found, you know, that set of keywords in that order, not money online, it would be make space money space online, make money online. Every time that appears in your post, it's going to highlight it, okay. It's going to make it into a hyperlink, so when they click on it, they go to this URL here. As long as it's correct, they will go there. yoursite.com / money online. That is a page to go to when they find that keyword. When it finds the money keyword on its own, it'll go to yoursite.com, okay, or whatever you put there. So make sure you get your links right and your words right, your keywords, and you won't even have to go in and link them, okay. It's going to be done automatically for you. You still can use WordPress. It'll add the links, you can highlight it, you can go click on the link icon, and you can type it all in manually, okay. No need to if you don't want to. Just put it in here, bang, done, okay. You only need to do it if those keywords aren't in there, or if you want to add more. This is only allowing you 3 there, okay. HTML code, so easy to do. It's going to put in the page header or the sidebar, any HTML code, and it'll be displayed on your site. Simple as that there. So if you're using HTML, no problem. Banner ads, here we go, all here showing you. Get your image, put it there, do it there. I'll say beginning of post, sidebar banner ads there, so you put the image in there, do all that with your link, bang, it's in the sidebar. Do that one, it's in the beginning of the post, okay, or you can put it at the bottom of the post, up to you, yeah. Just seeing here, image, select an image you want to use, so you can just pull it in off your computer or anywhere and do that. Save changes, easy as that, all done. Upgrade, if you want more power, that's giving you the option to upgrade. It's all here. As I say, there is a demo video on my page, my bonus page, and all you need to do, as you know, is sort of click on that link right below the video, and if you're on YouTube, it's going to bring you straight here, okay. Now the reason I've come here for, let's have a look at the pricing. Let's get the pricing. Here we are. Right, front end starts at $17, price will be rising. You're going to get that software I've shown you, the WordPress plugin, so you will need hosting and, you know, and a WordPress site and everything. That is the plugin that makes it all possible. You're going to get the training modules. I forgot to show them you. Let's go straight back over. Sorry about that, guys. Right now, we've got the training. It's a little hidden away, so that's why I forgot to mention it to you. If you come down on the left, it says welcome page here. Click on the welcome page. You know, I'd expect that to be at the top. It's at the bottom. It pulls it up. What's Contentify? It tells you a bit about it. Support here for the support ticket, so you can create a ticket. Over to the right is the training, okay. It is a little hidden, guys. Click on that and up come the training videos, okay. So it's going to show you how to install the plugin, how to configure the plugin, how to create your campaign, how to create an auto campaign, and how to capture the videos by channel ID. That's in there at the moment, and more than enough, okay. Whether they'll be adding any more later, I don't know. I do believe that's all of them. It's so easy to use, you don't need much training to use it. So that is your training. So let's go straight back on over to the bonus page. I did mention $17 for the front end, and upsell one is the pro version, $37. Okay, as it's saying, Contentify, it saves you a lot of time, but this one-time offer is going to speed up the site development. They're saying simply enter your keyword and the software is going to do the rest on autopilot. Okay, once you've set up your APIs, things like that, it's going to be super simple to make even more money. Now, if you want to come over here and read it, you can. Also, you're getting developer rights with that, so that means that you can sell the content. If you go on Fiverr, Upwork and places like that, freelance and all of those sites, you'll find that content is very expensive. Okay, you're going to be paying $10 or $15 for probably around 100 words. Okay, most people want 500, 1,000, 2,000 and 3,000 and even more words. Okay, it costs a fortune. Go and check it out. Not going to show it to you because you won't believe it. So you don't even have to use the content for yourself. You can basically get in there, create the content and resell it on Fiverr and places like that if you want to. And it's giving you those developer rights. Okay, sell the content wherever you want. Upsell 2, worldwide, $37. This is going to show you how to expand your customer audience and everything by transcribing your YouTube videos into any other languages than English. You can pull them in English and transcribe them. This is also a service you can offer your clients. A lot of people want it, and this will do it for you. Okay, and it's all really easy, very simple with the worldwide version. That's upsell 2. Upsell 3, more content sources. Instead of being just beholden to YouTube, this will allow you to sort of drag the content in from Dailymotion, Vimeo, Facebook, Twitter, Pocket, Pinterest, Medium, Discuss, etc. And it's going to give you more advanced features. You're going to be able to check the grammar, drag and drop post builder and everything. Okay, also you'll be able to get 500 plus RSS feeds that pull in even more content, article extraction and a load more. For those of you that really want to hit it big time, $47. It gives you all the content sources. Absolutely fantastic. And the done for you package, 3 done for you sites plus a done for you business toolkit, $37. Let them do the hard work and you just grab it and go basically. It's ready to start profiting with. You're going to get done for you posts, free professionally designed theme, legal pages, necessary instructions to deploy that site on your server. They're going to give it you sort of as a folder to upload into your site, okay, onto your server, your hosting, and that'll be that. You're getting the business toolkit including 20 powerful plugins, 40 done for you contractor videos, 200 customizable logos, premium banners, premium stock video collection. Upsell 5, done for you traffic. Everybody wants traffic, $39, and you're going to get all of that. Powerful social syndication platform. You'll be able to share your content to the top 20 social media sites, everything like that. Okay, manage all your social media sites from the one platform, really easy. Upsell 6, reseller, both the cloud-based app and the plugin, $197. You'll be able to sell it and keep the profit. Okay, so $197, and that is the reseller. Absolutely amazing. All there for the take, all there for people that want to get content, that understand the value that high quality content brings them. Really is the deal. So great. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check the demo out as well on the bonus page. It will show you even deeper into that product. And all that remains is for me to say, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.